Sometimes a person will sell real property but desire to remain on the property as a tenant. Such a sale-leaseback arrangement doesn't necessarily raise legal concerns. But if the seller is in financial distress and the sale-leaseback arrangement is used to make a loan to the seller with the rental payments constituting repayment over time, then the arrangement is problematic because it's effectively a mortgage without the usual mortgage safeguards. In Zaman v. Felton, we explore when courts can treat sale-leaseback arrangements as equitable mortgages, rendering them subject to the traditional safeguards. Facing imminent foreclosure on her residential property, Barbara Felton reached an agreement with Tahir Zaman, agreeing to sell Zaman the property if he would lease it back to her and also grant her an option to repurchase it at a future date. Felton and Zaman executed a written land sale agreement attesting to the property's sale to Zaman for $200,000. That agreement didn't reference a lease or a buyback option. A week later, at closing, the parties executed a lease agreement allowing Felton to reside on the property for a monthly rental fee and a buyback agreement allowing Felton to repurchase the property for $237,000 within 3 months. Felton subsequently lived on the property for 17 months without paying rent or exercising her buyback option. Zaman filed suit against Felton, seeking possession of the property and damages for Felton's unlawful occupancy. In response, Felton asserted various counterclaims, including a claim that the transaction constituted an equitable mortgage because the sale agreement, lease agreement, and buyback agreement were part of a single transaction that was, in effect, a high-interest loan secured by the property. The trial court held in favor of Zaman, rejecting Felton's argument that the transaction amounted to an equitable mortgage. The appellate division affirmed, and Felton appealed to the New Jersey Supreme Court.